How to charge credit to the Tixel 2. This video demonstrates pulse charging to Tixel 2. The credit counter's icon color indicates the range of remaining pulses in the device. "12-digit codes provided by the vendor are used to top up the counter. Please purchase a code from your device vendor. There are two ways to insert a code. The first is using the Tixel mobile app. Connect the app to your Tixel device via Bluetooth. Upon connection, the device credit will be charged automatically. Procedure will take approximately 2 minutes. You may also insert a code manually. At the home screen, press and hold the letter E for 4 seconds. Enter the code, double-check your entry, and press the Enter key. If the code is valid, an OK message will appear, and credit will be updated. If the code is not valid or the entry was erroneous, an error message will appear. After 5 failed attempts, the code screen will be locked for 12 hours. Once you have charged the device with credit, Tixel 2 is ready to perform treatment.